Hey guys, this is RG, and in this video I'll be telling you how to add custom voice to the soundboard, and it's pretty easy. So you go to soundboard right here, like you download Voicemod, open it for the Julian voice box, go to soundboard. From soundboard, go to the my soundboards, and these are the three preloaded soundboards. And you can for to add sound effects, you can go to this tune our website, which is right here listed, and you just search maybe um burger, search burger, yes, burger. So you just download it up from this thing, download, open file. So you go up to, I can import, hit plus button, and here, open. It's added. There you go. You can also edit the name. If you want to know how to use Soundbox and Voicebox on Discord, then you can please comment down in the description so I can make a video upon it. Till then, see ya.